I am leaving because with such a privileged role comes responsibility. The responsibility to know when you are the right person to lead and also when you are not. I know what this job takes, and I know that I no longer have enough in the tank to do it justice. It's that simple.
Exhausted at just the thought of watching this report? Need an early night? Or could it be burnout? This state of physical or emotional fatigue preys on workers under intense and permanent stress. As their job gradually invades their home and social life, their mental state is also affected. The warning signs include insomnia, chronic fatigue, irritability, migraines, back problems, memory loss, depression, anxiety, or panic attacks. Alleviating symptoms using alcohol, tobacco, sleeping tablets, or tranquilizers can lead to addiction. Once mostly linked to jobs involving a high degree of people work, like teaching or medicine, burnout can now occur in almost any profession. Screaming at colleagues and throwing your computer out the window may be therapeutic, but it's better to stop work and see a doctor. Health professionals also advise defining personal limits and priorities, sharing workloads and talking to colleagues, and taking time off before you reach burnout.